Hello?
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 Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Can you say again? I can hear.
Papa Lupa.
Can you please say again?
Whatever, Nazir.
You need some help?
You got the right number?
You need some help?
Yeah, it's my body is outside.
This the police?
You got the right number? Yeah, fuck off.
I don't understand what you say. Can you please say again? Huh? I'm a doctor. What's your name? Hello?
Yeah?
What's your name?
What's your name?
I'm a doctor.
What?
What's your name?
Why are you asking for my name?
How you spell?
How do you spell it?
How you spell?
I can understand you.
Can you spell the name?
Nope, sorry.
What the first name?
I don't know what the fuck you're saying, dude.
What the first name?
What?
Why? Hello?
Yes.
I'm a doctor. This the police.
Hey,
What's your name?
John.
How you spell?
John.
What are you looking for?
What am I working for?
Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for John.
Why you, how you spell?
John.
Why, you need some help?
Yeah.
This the police?
Yes.
What's your name?
John.
How you spell?
John.
What the first name?
Yes.
What the first name?
Pizza Hut.
What the last name? What's your name?
What toy?
What's your name? Can you spell the name for me? Can you spell the name?
Osama bin Laden.
Why you say why? What's your name? Hello? The police coming to see you. The police get you in the jail.
What?
The police?
Hello?
I call the police.
You call the police?
Hello?
Hello?
The police?
No. Wrong number.
Why you say motherfucker?
What?
I am in the jail. The police coming to fuck me in the jail.
They're coming to put you in jail?
I call the police.
Who is this?
The police get you in the jail.
Catch me.
The police coming to fuck me in the jail.
Who is this?
Why?
Did you call me?
You need some help?
Who?
You need some help?
Oh, no, this ain't him. He left.
Who are you looking for?
This is a payphone, man. You called a payphone.
Who are you looking for? I can hear.
I said you called a payphone.
You need some fuck?
What?
Motherfucker.
Do I want to fuck?
I don't understand what you say. Can you please say again?
I don't know what you're talking about, man. You got the
The
wrong number, though.
police get. The police get.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Huh?
What the first name?
What?
Who are you looking for?
Huh?
Hello?
Mike down.
Doctor.
Mike down.
The police? Hello?
Hello?
Motherfucker.
Hello?
I don't understand what you say. Can you please say again?
Hey, this is a payphone at the store.
Can you please say again?
What?
The police will get you in the jail.
Man, I can't hear you, bro. Call here and I just told you now. You calling us house and you calling the payphone at the store, my dude.
I called the police.
What?
I called the police.
No, bro, you calling the payphone, bro. You acting jittery right now, my dude. This is a payphone at the store, dumbass.
Simon Foster. In the jail.
Whatever, retard.
Fuck.
Your mother like that.
Hello? I called the police.
I'm sorry?
The police will get you in the jail.
Dude, this is a payphone and there's nobody else here, so I don't know who you're trying to get a hold of.
Hello?
Uh-huh.
You confirm.
What?
Who called?
I don't know. Who's this?
What are you confirm?
Hello?
What's your name?
My name is Bob.
What the first name?
You know you dialed the payphone?
What the last name?
Bob Jones.
I don't understand what you say. Can you please say again?
Have a nice night.